Hello, here's a quick way to sign up for activities online for the Senior Center. So if you're starting from our homepage, which is longmontcolorado.gov/senior-services, you can click on the Register for a Class button. It doesn't matter which one you click on. And if you're going off of a link in our email, we link directly to the registration page. So once here, you can see everything listed for the Senior Center on all of these pages. You can browse that way, or you can search by keyword for a specific class, or by the activity number, which is just the first 6 digits before the decimal point. So you can see what you want, and some classes might say unavailable, and that might be due to the class having already started, or other registration restrictions. So just read the text and give us a call if you have any questions. But once you find what you want, you can click the green plus sign next to the available here, and you see it'll turn the plus sign to a minus. So you can keep clicking whatever you want. And what it's going to do is it's going to pop up a blue bar at the bottom of your screen. So you need to make sure you can see this blue bar. You might have to adjust your screen or scroll or resize it. We know sometimes it's an issue on smaller screens like tablets. But once you see this blue bar, you click Add to Cart down here. So there's a 2-step process, the plus sign, and then Add to Cart down here. And then it's going to ask you to log in if you're not logged in already. And if you don't know your login information, you can do forgot username or forgot password. And you can always call the Senior Center if you're having issues as well. So once you're logged in, it'll pull up every family member in your account that is available to sign up for these classes. So if someone is not the right age, it won't let them proceed. So they have to be 55 or over for most of these classes. And you'll just check off under the right name who's signing up for what. So I do want all these classes, so I'm checking them off, and I'm going to hit continue. It's telling me that there's a class that's already started, so it's letting me know, do I still want to sign up or not? So it will show you those conflicts as well. And then it'll take you to this page where you show everything in your cart and how much it is and what you're paying for. So you can continue shopping and add more classes, or you can go to Proceed to Checkout. And then if there is a fee for the class, you'll enter your payment information, and if it's free, then you won't have to enter any information. And just verify your information here, and then you'll confirm that you're not a robot, and then confirm the transaction. So that should be all you need to do to register, and if you have any questions, just give us a call at 303-651-8411. Thanks.